It's a great American holiday here in Hawaii, and we're going to be gathering with some of the locals for a potluck holiday dinner. And our dish, of course, is my famous gumbo. I'm going to be making that with some chicken and andouilles, and of course one of the favorite ingredients I have in South Louisiana is okra, and I've been having a hard time finding it. So this is my third or fourth store, and I'm hoping to get some fresh okra. Wish me luck. Look, I came right to it. I know where to go. Here's a Monka Harvest fresh okra grown in Hawaii. A superfood. Perfect ingredient. Let's see what else I can find. Wow. Looks like I'm batting 100. Here's some boar's head smoked chicken andouille. Not quite recharged, but I think it'll do. I'm going to need 2 of these for combo. Looks good. Chicken andouille sausage by boar's head. I'm going to try some hot Portuguese sausage. This is more of a local brand, and I'm going to put one of these and one of the chicken andouille. So here we go, putting the finishing touches on the Louisiana chicken and andouille gumbo. I've been cooking it for 24 hours. I had the roux and the veg, and I've just added that andouille and meat because I don't want to overcook that. And we're going to be bringing this to our holiday to share our Louisiana eats with our friends from Hawaii. We're going to see what they think. I think it'll be delicious.
Bruh! Best gumbo ever.